Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you the chapter Units and Measurement in Physics. From the chapter name itself, you can come to know it's full of units and measurements. Let's go into the chapter, guys. The chapter is full of units and measurements. Guys, first of all, what is meant by physics? The word physics comes from the Greek word meaning nature. Today, physics is treated as the most fundamental branch of science and finds numerical appliances of life. Physics deals with the matter in relation to energy and accurate measurement of the same. Okay, let's go into our chapter, guys. Units and measurements. In our chapter, first we are going to see fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Now you want to ask some questions like what is meant by fundamental quantities, what is meant by derived quantities. I don't have any idea about that. Let's see, guys, just wait, I will show you what is meant by that. Fundamental physical quantities. Fundamental quantities are the quantities which cannot be expressed in the terms of any other physical quantities. Example: length, mass and time. Length is represented by the capital letter L, and mass is represented by the capital letter M, and time is represented by the letter S. Then derived quantities. Quantities that can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Example for derived quantities are area, volume, density. Area, volume and density. In the third picture, you can able to see the liquids are separated with the density according the highest dense liquid is on the below and the lowest dense liquid will be in the top. And units, in the chapter name itself we have seen unit, so it is important. Unit of a physical quantity is defined as the accepted standard used for comparison of given physical quantities. The unit in which the fundamental quantities are measured are called fundamental units, and the units used to measure the derived quantities are called derived units. This just you want to add units behind the fundamental or derived. Next, SI units. SI unit is the abbreviation for System International D units and is the modern form of metric system finally agreed upon the 11th conference of weight and measurement. This can able to come in 1 mark, guys. It is approved in the 11th international conference weight and measurements in 1960. This system of unit is now being adopted throughout the world and will remain the primary system of units. Next, guys, there are 7 fundamental units. They are called 7 fundamental units are also called as base units, and there are 2 supplementary units. What are they? Let's see. Length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, amount of substance. These all are 7 fundamental units, and other 2, plane angle and solid angle, are supplementary units. Now, derived quantities and units. If you are going to attend NEET or JEE exams, this both the tabulations are very important, guys. From this only you will get many problems. In the past years, there are many questions asked from this chapter based on derived quantities, like a sum. I will show you, just wait. Derived quantities: area, volume, density, volume, acceleration, force. You want to know the symbols and the relation with the base quantities. Derived units, unit in the SI base systems, they are coming in the repeated manner, guys. Some more is also there, like impulse, work and power. Okay, guys, Just see that impulse means force into time, work means force into displacement, power means work divided by time. These all are missing in this table. Just note it, guys. You want to study this table, this will be very helpful for you. You can see it is repeating like area, length into length, volume, length into length into length. For density you can see the formula mass by volume for the same formula. Just you want to put m3, m power 3. Velocity, displacement by time. Acceleration, velocity by time. Here you can also see the velocity is coming. Then force, mass into acceleration, acceleration, the before formula which we see, the acceleration, velocity by time. You want to derive every, just it's easier, guys, if you understand it. Now let's go to the another one. Dimensions. From this only they are asking many questions in NEET and JEE, guys. The fundamental physical quantities, namely length, mass and times, are symbolically represented by the capital letter L, M, T respectively. Only 3 letters, guys. L, M, T. Length, mass, time. Dimensional formula is the formula in which the given physical quantity is expressed in terms of the fundamental quantities raised to suitable powers. Yeah, guys, in the tabulation you can see for density the symbol is kgm minus 3. The minus 3 is the power. With suitable power means the minus 3. They are telling that. Okay, next, guys. Uses of dimensional formulas. Now we are going to see the uses to check the dimensional correctness of the given equation, to convert the physical quantities from one system of unit to another, to establish the relationship between the physical quantities in an equation. These 3 are very important, guys. They can ask it in 2 marks or 3 marks. Conventions to be followed in SI units. This is very important, guys. You should know the rules how to write the SI units. When we write a unit in full, the first letter should not be the capital letter. Like meters, just you can see meter should be in the small letter, not should be in the capital letter, and kilogram should be in the small letter, not in the capital letters. It is very important, guys. For intensity you can see, I will tell you now it's coming. For intensity, like the symbol of the unit in the name of the scientist should be in the uppercase letter. I told you about intensity. Yes, no, guys, not intensity, it's impulse. I had also told you about impulse. Force into time, the formula for it, it's Newton seconds. Capital letter N and small s are the symbols. For force, mass into acceleration, Newton, just capital N. We should use the capital letters if the symbol has the name, starting letter has the name of the scientist. Next, then we will go to the next point, guys. Name, only the singular form of the unit should be used. Yes, guys, this is very important. For kg, how many kgs of potato you want? 2 kg. Just kg, not kgs. Kg, yes, we should not use. For kilometers, how many kilometers we had been crossed? We had been crossed, for example, 100 kilometers means 100 km, just that, not kms. If you ask me, they are using kilometers per second, so they are using the slash symbol between that. It means kilometers per second, not kms. We should not use, guys. Will be in the next rule, I think so. For using the slashes, there should not be no full stop at the end of the abbreviation. Yes, guys, for millimeter mm and kg, there should not be a full stop at the end of the abbreviations. The temperature, when the temperature is expressed in kelvins, the degree sign is omitted. If you express the temperature after putting 273 Kelvin K, you should not put that degree sign in the top. You should omit it. You want to use either one. You want to put K for Kelvin or else the degree symbol. not the both. Only accepted symbol should be used. Means ampere is represented by the capital letter A and not as AMP. No guys, and another example is second is represented by the small letter S, not the SEC. You want to use the only use the accepted symbols like capital A and S. Next we go guys. Uses of the solids or slash solids or slash. I told in the before one in kilometers per second. You can use km slash s slash to be avoided when using not more than one solid be employed. Just see kj slash k mole should be used, not j slash k slash mole should be used. It's wrong guys. Okay, next one letter space is always to be left between the number and the symbol of the unit. You should leave a space between the letter and the symbol. Number and the symbol. It's the rule you should follow. The numerous value of any physical quantity should be represented by p is equal to a into 109 dot. You can see the gap between them and between the number and the symbol. Here the number between 1 to 10 or m is the approximate power of 10. You can see example. Velocity of the light is very very important guys. C is equal to 2.997 into 10 to the into 108 ms minus 1. It is the power. Okay guys, thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, just comment in the comment box. I'll surely clear your doubts. And if you need any videos, just comment me in the comment box. I will surely upload your videos. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.